We're still gonna take our trip out the blackout tent. I'm trying to make the arrangements now, get an appointment set up. I really want to take the camera. I don't know how everybody is with being on my camera, especially if they're doing stuff for me. So I don't know if it's okay or not. I'm gonna try and find out. I really would like to get the camera there. Not really so much to just look over his shoulder, but just for good footage and show you what we got. I'm gonna think about that, plot that out, but I definitely want to take you guys with me. That way you guys can get it firsthand. And I know that with a lot of the things I've been doing to the truck, like where I made the cuts on the wheels and stuff like that, I don't really get footage of it. But I want that to change. I want that to be different. I'm gonna make a habit of more where I get that footage, and maybe I can edit it, you know, some of it out, save time, that sort of thing. But I want to get you guys right in there so you can really see what is going on firsthand, like I see what's going on firsthand. So I think that'd be more interesting. I think that'd keep your attention better, and something we're gonna work on in the channel. Everything is a work in progress. Everything is under development. So that's what we're working on. I definitely want to take you guys with me a lot more firsthand, get the camera in there, get the footage rolling of the projects and the things we do. It's just a matter of making it a habit, getting it in there. Like a lot of times, like with the wheels and stuff, I did that sick. I wasn't well really when I was doing it, so it makes me not want to tote the camera around so much. But I'm telling you, like, I know I have to do it, and I know I'm going to, because it's part of the grind. And when you grind, you grind. That's what you got to do, whatever it takes to get it done, get it to the wheel. So that's what we're going to do, guys. We're going to make improvements on the channel, little things like that. Definitely keep you more interested, more focused, definitely be more entertaining. So that's my plan. Definitely have all the summer tour dates. I'm working on those. So guys, if you have dates for summer events, spring events, fall events, and when I say events, I mean like car shows, car rallies, get-togethers, things for charities, all that sort of thing. If you have those dates, get in the comments below and put what event it is, where it is, and the dates. We're working on all the tour dates now. For the most part, it'll probably be just, you know, northern Indiana, around where I'm from, everywhere between Butler and where I'm at here in Napanee. Maybe, you know, I'll go west, maybe South Bend, that sort of way. From Fort Wayne to South Bend, that whole section, maybe on up lower Michigan, maybe a little bit, just depends on when it goes. I want to go to the Chicago Dub Show this year. I want to go so bad. Matt Malott, I know you watch my show. I know you watch the channel. I know you love Chicago. Man, we got to go to the Dub Show this year. I want the footage, and I'm telling you, it'd just be a good time. We'll take your truck if you want. We should put these wheels on your truck when we take it to the Dub Show. I'll leave it sit on jack stands for a minute. I don't care. Take your truck to the Dub Show. Anyway, hit me up. Let me know what you think. If you guys have any ideas for summer shows, summer events, let me know. I know that the Napanee Takeover is getting ready to maybe have some meets here soon as the weather starts warming up. I think those guys, you know, they're pretty into it, and they like to get it started, get it going. They're like me, so they're antsy, ready to go. So make sure you check them out on Facebook also as Napanee Takeover. I don't know if there's an Instagram or anything like that. Definitely check those guys out. They got a cool page. They meet every weekend. I think it's on Saturday, every Saturday night. They meet up for a few hours, and it's a good time, guys. If you're in the area and you want something to do and you're bored, you don't have anything to do, drive through Dairy Queen, get yourself a nice shake, and then roll on out. Check the guys at Takeover out. I'll be out there definitely when it warms up, it's sunshine, if it's rain, that sort of thing. I may not show up, but if it's sunny and it's warm, you know the Trap Mobile is going to be there. Trap My Ride's going to be there. Everybody else needs to be there. I know Ligonier has Marshmallow Festival Car Show on Labor Day, but the problem with that is it coincides with Auburn, Indiana. And if anybody knows Auburn, like the Auction America, Cruise Auction, Their get together, they're cruising downtown that whole weekend. Car crazy in Auburn. I'm telling you, if you love cars, you like exotics, you like hot rods, you want to see and do everything, go to Auburn. Labor Day weekend is in September. Check it out. I know there's a Facebook page for that. You can Google that and find it. I'm sure Auburn is amazing. And if you haven't been there, make sure you get out. You take the family, take the kids, get them out there and check out Auburn. It's awesome. And I know that at the Auburn Duesenberg Museum in Auburn, a lot of times on Saturday mornings, they have cars and coffee, and that's always a great rally. So I want to get some footage of that. I want to get the trap mobile and trap my ride over there. I'd like to take some guys from the Napanee Takeover with me. Everybody roll over, represent, do our thing, have a good time. Any places like that, let me know. Get in the comments. Check us out on Facebook. I started a new Facebook page. It's up, it's going, it's under development, guys. It's slow because I'm sick. So there's going to be more content on there to come. Stay posted. Make sure you get on there. You like, you follow it. Whatever the heck it is coming. We're going to get video clips that you don't find here on YouTube. Pictures, things like that you don't get on YouTube. So make sure you check that out. You don't want to miss it. But definitely check out Napanee Takeover on Facebook. Nappanee. Man, it's hard to say when you're out of breath. Takeover. They're there. Check them out. Make sure you follow them. Join. Get out in the streets where they're at on the weekends. Meet up. Come check it out. Trying to think of other events off the top of my head, but they're all over this area. Granted, a lot of them are not so much my style of vehicle. A lot of them are classics, hot rods, sports cars, that sort of thing. But you see a few low lows. You'll see maybe a few big rims. I don't know. We'll see what we see. I'm excited for it, guys. Stay tuned. It's coming. Make sure to like this video, share, subscribe, all that good stuff. And we will see you soon with another project and more updates to come. Keep on trapping. Alright guys, it's next day still, and I'm still not really feeling very good. I probably should have went to the doctor yesterday or today, but I'm still just day quilling it, getting through every day. I come home from work today and just crashed out. I didn't wake up till like 8 o'clock, so I didn't really get anything accomplished today. I got some rest, and I do feel a bit better. Not as sore as I was, but anyway, all that aside, this is what I wanted to show you guys, since I really didn't have anything for you today. I want to get this edited and get it up as quick as I can, either tonight or early tomorrow. But I'll be at work tomorrow, probably till 4 o'clock. But anyway, I'll show you what I got going on here. This is take care of that exhaust I was talking about. You know, in the last video, I said I had the stuff is in there. I kept you in suspense a little bit, but since I really don't have anything going on, I gotta entertain you somehow. So I picked up this exhaust tip to go on there. Stainless steel, resonated, should be pretty nice. Got the clamp. Here's the funny thing about this. The exhaust on this, 2.5 inches. My pipe has a flare, so it'll go around the old one. I'll cut this off my grinder to the right length, whatever. This will go right onto the end of it. No brainer. Look at this. 2.25 inches. I didn't get the right size. I don't know why. I looked right at them. I think, oh, that's not even English. Here you go. Here's the English side, guys. I didn't even look, I guess, or maybe I grabbed the wrong one. So I have to take that back to O'Reilly's, swap that out, get it right. But that project is going to come. We'll get to see if it makes a difference in the sound it makes. I really don't think so. This thing's got a huge muffler in the midsection here. That thing is a resonator or something. I've checked out a few videos of some other guys who cut that thing off and exhausted it on YouTube, and they all seem pretty good. Hopefully to clean it up, make it not so much of an eyesore, and it'll look a lot nicer. Give us something to watch, something to do. So that'll be coming up real soon. Break out the creeper, get that taken care of. My backup camera I had an issue with, so I have to figure that out. I'm not sure what the deal is. Maybe the camera's bad or one of my wires or something. It's not working right, but I want to move it. Right now it sits under my hitch. I don't have a hitch on there, so it's not a problem. But I think I'm going to move it on the inside and up higher, so it's more like a rear view mirror. So we're going to relocate that, and I want to put a hitch cover on that. I looked at a few. They have custom ones you can make, light up with your brakes. Some nice chrome ones, some bow ties. I'm going to check them out a little bit more. I'm going to make a decision in here in the next couple weeks. That'll be an add-on. So I just want to give you guys that little bit of update. We will be feeling better soon and pressing on. So stay tuned for some more projects. I am getting ready to cut this ugly resonator off, and I'm going to install the parts that I showed you earlier. Ooh, the lighting like that's terrible, isn't it? We're going to install the parts that I showed you earlier. I'm still not feeling very good, as you can tell. I need to shave. Still went to work today, still did it. So now I'm going to play a little bit. I'm going to go inside and chill out later and eat. I have some Dayquil and Theraflu in me, so that's why I'm still going now. My voice is still shot, but let's get you crawled under here so you can see what I'm looking at. I'll show you what we're going to do. Okay guys, this is what we're looking at here. This, I guess, is called a resonator. I'm not really sure exactly what the point of it is. I think it has something to do along the lines with the California emissions. It probably collects carbon and minerals, things like that, from the emissions. It's not really a muffler, I guess. But anyway, we're gonna cut this thing off. We got this bracket here. Let's hold on to it. I have my angle grinder. I suppose if I had a hacksaw or like a buzzsaw or something, this might be easier. I could get in between this bracket and fit my new fitting. But I think I'm just going to cut right behind the damn thing, and we're going to get this off here, and I'm just going to go ahead and run it, clamp it on, and I'll make my new fitting. I'm not sure exactly what I'm going to do. I'm going to assess the materials that I have available, see what will work with, you know, elements and heat, that sort of thing, and go from there. I'll just MacGyver something. I'm going to make the cut, get this thing out of here, and show you what we got going from there. And hopefully soon, this ugly monster will be rid of. This is my zip tie from my backup camera crap, and my backup camera has quit working. I need to look at that. Maybe while I'm down here, I'll do that. I'm not sure if my camera's bad or something here is not good. I need to check it out and see what the deal is, but we're gonna wait till after this is gone. That's definite. Man, them wheels, I'm gonna polish the back side of this wheel. I'm gonna put ring lights in there so that way the back side of the wheel shines like the front. So it's high gloss, it's like a mirror. Put ring lights back here to go with the underglow, and that'll really make them stand out, really make the wheel stand out at night when it's lit up. Should be real cool. That is a project. I look at the ring light kits, guys, and they're like $120 to like $300, and I'll be honest, I don't see the need to spend that much. I know where I can get the RGBs, waterproof RGBs. I have an idea on how to get it a perfect ring, and we'll just make a bracket and put it on the back of the dust clamps for the brakes. Come on. and they went $100 or $200 for that. Come on, guys, for real. And I'll do the full RGB, so they'll do the color change, you know, it won't just be one color. So like everything else, I'll have my full color spectrum. All the colors of candy, guys. All the colors of candy. Keep that in mind, because I'm telling you, the Walker project is definitely being plotted. This is going to be taken care of too. My backup camera that may be faulty. O'Reilly's has this camera, $20. I think Walmart's got it for $15. Whatever. But this is going to be cleaned up, all this crap. It's going to look better back here. A few little things at a time. Yeah, I'm laying on a creeper. We're going to get this done, guys. So I'll see you back here in a second. What up, guys? We got the exhaust tip on. I'm here at Speedway actually getting gas right now. The lights are nice, so I'll give you a look at it here in the light. I figured it'd be a good time. Use this opportunity. Man, I still got some safety glasses on my head to show you what we rigged up. Real simple, pretty standard. So we'll give you guys a look at that. Here's what we got, guys. This sticks out a little longer than I want it to. I'm gonna get back in tomorrow a little earlier, so I have some more light. I'm gonna cut that down and shorten that up, and I'll let you guys see that. But that's what we rigged up. This is steel wire. It's real simple. It hasn't rattled, made any noise. So that's what I'm gonna do there, guys. So my gas is about done pumping, and I'm gonna get home and chill out for the night. But that's the update. Other than that, guys, stay tuned. I still got some more things to come. Little things, but bigger things are coming soon.
We stand out like bird shit on a black shoe.